Hi, my name's Rob McCarthy. I'm with SkipperBud's in Michigan on Lake St. Clair. Today we're on a Pursuit 2022 DC 326 dual console 32 footer. This is a 100% freshwater boat. It's been lift capped in 2024. It does not have bottom paint. It's one of Pursuit's best-selling models. It really does a great job of combining an entertaining boat and a fishing boat. So today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of this boat, and we'll be starting up in the bow. Okay, going forward from the helm, you can see there's the hinge windshield with a latch to contain it. It does have the close-out doors, so when you're trying to stay out of the wind and rain and elements, you're much more comfortable behind the full windshield. Up here, this is a very deep seating area. You can see the rail goes all the way around. Armrests on the seats facing forward. Plenty of cup holders, handholds, access to USB and your stereo, JL audio speakers. The storage compartments on each side with hinges that hold it up. Makes it real convenient for putting gear in and out. Great place to put fenders. These are insulated, and there's one similar to it on the starboard side. You can see the leg for a bow table and fenders. There's a deep storage compartment in here that has dedicated storage to store a table. Now we'll take a look at the helm on this DC 326 Pursuit. You'll see two multifunction displays by Garmin. They're interfaced to the Yamaha Helmmaster. Here's the joystick for easy maneuverability. It also has autopilot and set point. Shift levers, Garmin VHF radio, Lenco trim tabs, all your controls. Here's the joystick for the Lumar bow thruster, and of course compass. This is a yacht certified boat, so it's up to the captain in terms of capacity people wise. Here's the helm seat with a flip up bolster, and when you're not running, the helm seat turns for this social area. Over here on the port side, again, nice armrests that very nice, comfortable area. If you're forward facing with your feet up on the lounge, this is one of the 3 tables on board the boat that you can remove. And now let's take a look at the head that's on the port side. Correction. And now let's take a look at the head, which is on the starboard side. Okay, going down into the head, you'll see this is a patented door from Pursuit that gives you great access while you swing the door. This overhead panel goes away, making access to the head much easier than many boats. Nice size mirror, sink, storage underneath the sink, storage for one of the tables that goes into the cockpit. There's the bracket for it. Here's the vacuum flush head, and there's this fiberglass shelf seat that goes over it when not in use. Very well done head, plenty of room, nice and clean. And on the port side, again, you'll see the patented door opening mechanism that gives you plenty of headroom when you go down below. On the forward bulkhead is your power distribution, a nice size hanging locker, CO2 detector, wireless charging pad, 2 drawers and some storage. On the outboard side, you'll see rod holders, dedicated mount for the table. This is a forward-facing seat in this position, but it can be pulled out to convert to a berth. Going aft, on the port side, you'll see this beautiful table with a nice settee. You can face forward or lean back. Again, nice armrests, handholds, cup holders. Over on the starboard, the helm seat with bolster, and that turns. This boat has twin 300 horsepower Yamahas, 255 hours, complete Garmin package with twin 8612 screens, the Yamaha interface, joystick, including autopilot, Garmin VHF. The helm also has these dual steps, and that folds down to give you a little more access to look up over the bow. So this is the second social area of the boat after the bow. And in just a minute, we're going to go through the cockpit. Now let's take a look at the cockpit on this Pursuit DC326. There's a lot to cover back here. Starting here on the port side, nice upholstery from Pursuit, another fold down armrest, insulated storage box here that can have a cold plate added. Behind the backrest, Plano tackle lockers and more room for storage. Storage over here under the gunnel. Here's one of the fold-out seats. So when you're entertaining, you've got a second fold-out seat here. I really like this because the backrest goes up, making it much more comfortable. 26-gallon live well here. Starboard side door. Beautiful hardware on this. Goes back to a magnetic latch so it stays open. That's where your swim ladder goes, but nice and easy if you want to land a fish. Built-in step up to the gunnel. By the way, I've got the sunshade up right now, or out. That's a retractable one-touch sunshade. Here's your sink with cutting board, storage underneath. In the cockpit, we've got this large access to the machinery space. Also in the cockpit, you can see it's got the drop curtain behind the helm. And this boat has a brand new aft curtain that goes from the hardtop back to the transom. And a brand new cover that covers the bow seating area. And before we leave the cockpit, you can see their large fish boxes, port and starboard. And the gunnels, their rod holders, and across the transom, cup holders. Also, 6 rod holders across the hardtop. Again, it's powered by twin 300 horsepower Yamahas with the pearlescent paint. And now here's the cockpit transformed from a fishing boat to a day boat for entertaining. This is the third social area on the boat, the bow, the bridge deck, and now here. By the way, there's port and starboard fish boxes in the floor with diaphragm pumps. This center hatch gives you access to the mechanicals, along with dedicated storage for a stern anchor and the boarding ladder. Again, this is a 326 Pursuit, DC 326, 2022, twin Yamaha 300s, 255 hours. The boat's exceptionally clean, in winter storage, easy to show. If you'd like to do a FaceTime tour, contact me and we can do that by appointment. This boat won't disappoint. Rob McCarthy with SkipperBud's at McRae Harbor and Belmare Harbor on Lake St. Clair in the great state of Michigan.